Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we are going to solve one practical problem under EOQ. Let's see the problem. The following data are available in respect of the material used in progressive engineering company for the year 2024. Material purchase price per unit rupees 12 and interest per month 0.10. Clerical and administration, here they have given interest per month, but we need interest per year because we will solve EOQ problem annually for a year. Clear? Clerical and administration rupees 200. Insurance charges per annum. See, here they have given per annum, that is 12%. Wastage of material per unit quarter. So wastage they have given in the form of quarter. So we need to annualize it. Clear? 2%. Cost of buying office inspection and accounting per order rupees 400. Quarterly consumption of materials 3000 units. Here again they have given the consumption of materials in quarter. Means 3000 into 4. How many quarters in a year? 4, right? So 3000 into 4. Then we will get material consumption for the year. Clear? So you are required to compute best ordering quantity of the material buying means EOQ. And time gap between two consecutive orders. Means what here? Time gap between two consecutive orders, that is the time in days or months that passes between placing one order and the next. That one we need to calculate here. And total inventory cost at optimal policy of buying. Here, total inventory cost at optimal policy of buying. So let's solve the problem. See here, first we need to write down all the information. Purchase price per unit how much? That is rupees 12. And interest per month, that is 0.10. But we need interest per year. Means what we have to do? They have given in the per month. So 0.10 into 12 months. Not purchase price. 12 months. That is equals to rupees 1.20 per unit. Next one, insurance charges per annum. Directly they have given. Means 12% of 12 purchase price. That is rupees 1.44. And wastage. That is 2% per quarter. So listen it very carefully. Here they have given wastage of material per unit quarter 2%. How many quarters in a year? 4. Right? So 4 quarters. 4 into 2% means 8% per annum. We need to annualize the wastage. See here. 2% per quarter. 4 into 2% into 100. So that is 8%. So 8% per annum. Now wastage equals to 8% of purchase price. That is rupees 12 equals to 0.96 per unit per year. Clear? I hope this is clear to you all. Now ordering cost per order. Ordering cost that includes shipping and administrative cost. Right? So in the problem, see here. Clerical and administration, that is rupees 200. And cost of buying office inspection and accounting per order, that is rupees 400. These all are ordering cost. Means rupees 400 plus 200 equals to rupees 600. This is our ordering cost per order. Next one is quarterly usage. Here consumption of materials, that is given in the form of quarter. Right? That is 3000 units. Means what we have to do? We need to annualize. Means 3000 into 4. How many quarters in a year? 4. So 3000 into 4 equals to rupees, that is 12,000. 12,000. Sorry, this is 3000 units. Clear? So our annual demand is 3000 into 4 equals to 12,000. Now we need to calculate carrying cost. Clear? So carrying cost, it includes the cost like storage cost or any insurance, wastage, spoilage. Clear? So here in first we have to write down the interest. That is 1.20. Write down. And after that interest. Clerical, that is related to ordering cost. And insurance. So this is included in the carrying cost. Insurance charges per annum. 12% of rupees 12. That is rupees 1.44. Write down here rupees 1.44. And wastage, see here, wastage 0.96 per unit per year. They given in the form of quarterly, that is 2% per quarter, so we need to annualize. Then we will get 0.8 percentage per annum. So 8 percentage of purchase price equals to rupees 0.96 per unit per year. So write down 0.96 equals to add interest plus insurance plus wastage. Then we will arrive rupees 3.60. That is our carrying cost. Now first they said best calculate best ordering quantity of the material buying, that is EOQ. So what is the formula? Root of 2AO divided by C. 2 into 12,000, that is A means annual demand. Clear? That is 12,000. O means ordering cost. How much? Ordering cost, that is rupees 600. Clear? Divided by carrying cost, that is 3.60. 3.60. Then we will arrive 40 lakhs. So root of 40 lakhs, that is 2000 units. It means what? The best ordering quantity of the material buying, that is 2000 units. So best ordering quantity is 2000 units. I hope this is clear to you all. See here, 2 into 12,000 into 600 divided by 3.60. So root of 40 lakh, that is 2000 units. Clear? So we calculated first one, that is best ordering quantity of the material buying. Now we have to calculate time gap between two consecutive orders. So see here, time gap between two consecutive orders. Before that we have to calculate number of orders per year. Clear? Number of orders per year means how many orders we need to place in a year. How many times we need to place the orders in a year. So that is equals to annual demand, that is 12,000 divided by EOQ. 2000. 12,000 divided by 2000. That is 6 times. Annual demand divided by EOQ. So 6 times. It means what? Here we need to place 6 orders in a year. Clear? Means you place 6 orders in a year. Now we have to calculate the time gap between two consecutive orders. The time gap between two consecutive orders means what? That is the time in days or months that passes between placing one order and the next. That passes between placing one order and the next. So how we have to calculate? How many months in a year? 12 months. Divided by how many orders? That is 6 orders. 6 times. We have to order 6 times in a year. Clear? So means 2 months. So the time gap is 2 months between two orders. So time gap, that is equals to what? 2 months between two orders we need to place. So the time gap between two consecutive years is 2 months. Clear? Next, after that, next third one is total inventory cost at optimal policy of buying. See here, inventory cost means ordering cost plus carrying cost. Here you will get a doubt, why here material cost is not included. See here, material cost, that is usually not, it is excluded from the total inventory cost calculation in EOQ. Clear? In EOQ when solving the problems, because it does not change with the order quantity, right? It does not change with the order quantity. That's why material cost we will not include while calculating the inventory cost. So inventory cost equals to ordering cost plus carrying cost. Clear? So ordering cost means what? Number of orders into cost per order. Number of orders, how many times we need to order? 6 times. Into cost per order. That is 600. Cost per order. See here. Ordering cost per order how much? 600, right? So 6 into 600. So that is rupees 3600. Now we need to calculate the carrying cost. The formula is EOQ divided by 2 into carrying cost per unit per year. EOQ divided by 2 means what? Average inventory. We have to take the average of EOQ, and C means carrying cost per unit per year. So EOQ is 2000 divided by 2, and our carrying cost per unit per year is 3.60. That is equals to rupees 3600. So total inventory cost, that is 3600, ordering cost plus carrying cost 3600 equals to rupees 7200 is our total inventory cost at EOQ. Clear? Here this ordering cost and carrying cost formulas differs, right? Because the ordering cost is transaction based. This ordering cost, that is transaction based, but carrying cost, that is inventory level based. That's why the formula differs of ordering cost and carrying cost. Clear? I hope this problem is clear to you all, but you should be very careful while solving the problems. Usually we will solve the problems under EOQ annually, means for year. Here if they have given per month, we need to calculate it as per year, or sometimes they give per quarter. We have to convert into per annum. Annual demand also, they will give quarterly usage. Means we have to multiply it by 4. Then we will get annual demand. Okay, once you will get all the information, just apply the formulas. That's it. Okay, so then it's very simple. But you should be very careful while converting. Clear? I hope this problem is clear to you all. If not, please leave a comment. And if anyone wants notes of or solution of this problem, please comment. I will upload in my Telegram channel, and I will provide the link in the description box. Thank you.